something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Come chase beach views and then.
Hey y'all, hey, today is April 28th. Here is what our lettuce garden is looking like. Everything is looking great. I'm about to harvest some lettuce, okay, in a moment and make me a salad tonight. Now, my sprout machine, I have to go and I got a new one, so I'm going to have to transfer this, okay, to the new machine because the light won't come go off. It won't reset. I tried it several times, so I'm gonna transfer it into the newer machine. And so as you can see, the cilantro is growing. Nothing with the oregano yet, and our parsley just started sprouting. So we'll get into that shortly, but our lettuce garden is doing amazing. Okay, so I'm gonna harvest some of this and then make me a nice salad. All right, here we go. Eggplant is doing wonderful. Here's another eggplant coming up. No spinach yet. Spinach is still not doing anything. But look at our Swiss chard. Yes. So what I'm going to do is, because I got 2 plants in here, so I'm about to separate it and we'll have 3 Swiss chards going on. I'm going to separate the plants, but look at that. Swiss chard is always doing amazing. Now, I think I need some more, I'm going to need some more nutrition, but we're going to work this out here. So just wanted to give you an update, April 28th, and I'm going to separate this garden, separate some of these things, and so spring garden is doing wonderful. So I'll be back with another update. Hey y'all, what's up? Now look at this Swiss chard is doing amazing. I do have to go ahead. I'm about to remove it because it's taken up and my eggplants are struggling. So I'm gonna have to repot it and do something with it. And then of course you see our lettuce is doing what it does. I gotta wipe it off. I spilled some other plant food on there, but our things are doing this thing. And sadly to say, well, you see our cilantro is doing this thing, but yeah, I gotta work it out. So that's our spring garden. Okay, spring garden is loving it. And guess what, y'all? Just an update. It's going crazy up here, but can you see? We have a broccoli spear, y'all. We got a broccoli spear. Look at that. Ooh, look at the broccoli spear. But this is getting crazy. And now it needs some light, because it's outgrowing the lights, okay? So that's what our broccoli is doing. And yeah, so that's the update. Finally see a broccoli spare, and it's about 128 days. So yeah. Baby, it is doing what it does. So I'll be back with another update soon. Thank you for watching. It looks really, really, really good, yeah. Hey guys, so I did go ahead and harvest some of the rainbow chard. So as you can see, I guess it's just the green stems that's growing. No red this time. And I'm in trouble because I waited too long to split these two. So we'll see what happens. I waited too long to split the two. I moved them around. So I have the eggplants. I put the eggplants in the middle. I might just switch out the eggplants too. And then I'm moving the broccoli, and I'm going to plant them in a new planter, in a new hydroponic system. So we're going to move that around and get the spinach growing somewhere else. So stay tuned. I'll let you know how this rotation worked out. So this is day 33 for this indoor garden, hydroponic garden. And hopefully, things will work out. So I will definitely keep you posted. I appreciate you all for watching. And catch you on the not the replay. Catch you on the next one. I'll now update you on that spinach, but here we go. This is what's going on. Here is the Swiss chard harvest. Okay, so everything's looking beautiful, guys. I love it. I love it. I love it. Still glossy and green. They are enjoying the nutrients. This came from the lights burning, almost burning the leaves. Sucks. It was burning. So anyway, not much, but this is good. So I'm glad that I planted enough Swiss chards so I can reap the benefits. Because I was like, that one did beautiful, but having 3 in there, 4 in there growing right now, I truly wish I would have switched out the pods. But anyhow, this is what we have.